Hello everyone, welcome to Short Note Life. So on today's video, I am showing 4 colors of Madam Glam's new collection, Green Gaia. They have 7 new cream shades and a new top coat. I have 4 shades with me, and if you don't know what Madam Glam is, they are a vegan company. They're cruelty free. They have a 21 free formula. They're palm oil free and they are henna free. So that means that if you have sensitive skin or anything like that, this is a good company to use. But first up, the first color I have is called Rainforest. This is a beautiful green shade. Next up is the Parisian Sea. I love this. This is a lavender purple. It's just so beautiful. Next up is Honeycomb, and this is a pale yellow. I feel like depending on what Winnie the Pooh you watch, this may be the color of Winnie the Pooh. I don't know. But Ocean Pearl is their top coat, their specialty top coat, and it is no wipe. It has like little speckles of pastel glitter in there. It is so beautiful. With that being said, there will be a link down in the description box that take you directly to Madam Glam's website, and once you check out, just hit pay as you go if you don't want to sign up to be a VIP member. And also, if you want to save 35% off, I will pop my code up on the screen right here. So I'm trying to show you right now the colors stacked, where the top coat stacked on top of them. I honestly have used this top coat. It is so beautiful. That set is coming soon, the set I used it on. So yeah, I'm loving all of these new colors. I'm trying to do something new where I show you guys all the colors I'm going to use in the beginning. So I'm using Rainforest, the Parisian Sea, and Mama Bear from Madam Glam. I'm also going to use just the black gel paint. I was kind of undecided on the other two, and I do have a reference picture that I will pop up right here. This is what I'm trying to recreate, and I kind of did it like a little bit from, well, a lot from the photo. And I'm sorry, I just realized I am using Autumn Aurora. I didn't put it in the beginning, but it did come next. I'm just using this as my nude. It is more of a like peachy orange nude in my opinion. I just wanted to try it out because I don't think it's meant as a nude. I actually like it as a nude. It's really beautiful to me. And then I'm going to use Flirty on top. I only did 1 coat of both, and I used that Autumn Aurora on the bottom as well because I needed an opaque background. I didn't want it to be see-through at all. I didn't want to see, like, if you were to wear these, I didn't want to see my nail through it. That's why I did it like that. But I also wanted that kind of sheer cover on top to kind of make it a little bit, I don't know, sheer. I like the way the sheers look. They have an effect, if that makes sense. I hope somebody knows what I'm talking about. But as you see, I did add Lucky Charm. I'm not using it right now, but I did add that to the colors I want to use, which is why that popped up. But I did start off with the Parisian Sea. And I know I was talking about something earlier. I'm so sorry. I've completely lost my train of thought. I just had to rewatch the footage to remember what I was talking about. The reference photo. I am almost completely copying the reference photo. I am really, really bad at this style of design, and I really love it. I am obsessed with this style, but it just doesn't make sense in my head. I don't know why. So what I did was I did copy the photo a lot. I did add some elements and I did delete some elements from the photos, but I did kind of go and pick and choose a couple of nails and recreated them. And I don't know who's the original creator, but I will leave a link to the Pinterest picture I got it from, because I don't know how to credit the person other than that. So I'll leave that in the description box if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's all I'm kind of doing. I really don't have any tips or anything for you guys. I'm just following the photo. I'm making shapes with my liner brushes. I am using a 15mm liner brush at the moment. I do recommend a longer one on certain parts because it just would have made things easier. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch and enjoy this because I don't have any tips. I guess enjoy the next few minutes.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own. And I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side. That's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know. Every day's a new day and it is a blessing. I hit the studio cause we got a session. Sunset Boulevard where we all come through. But don't let the money and the fame change you. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side. That's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and then run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map.
So this is where I kind of introduced that black in there, the black gel paint. So some advice that I actually heard from Nails in Orbit, she was like, basically pull almost all of that black off the brush if you want thin lines. And I had forgot about that tip because I wanted both of these to be thin lines, but they just kept being super thick, especially since gel paint is a thick gel. So I don't know, I just pulled the paint out of the brush and I remembered her tip when I started drawing, and I realized that's how I got the thinner lines. So yeah, you want to almost pull all of that gel out if you want to do thinner lines. And if you want thicker lines, yes, you need to put a little bit more on your brush, but working with the gel paint makes it a little easier because the lines will be a lot more opaque than if I were to use a gel polish. And I can get thinner lines with gel polish, but again, I would have to do multiple coats. So that's my tip, is to use a paint and to kind of pull most of that gel polish out if you want thinner lines. I hope that helps.
Are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine. Oh, then you say you need some time. Can't decide. And lately it's been really confusing. I just can't understand. You say that you're catching feelings, but I'm always left on red. Ooh, no. And every time we meet, nothing is off. Deep down, I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. There's something, it's the fact. You're switching up again. I don't know what's your move. Tell me, baby, what to do. Why are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine, then you say you need some time. You can't decide, and it leaves me asking, tell me which lane I am choosing. Should I stay or go? Cause I can't keep on waiting for something when you still say you don't know. Hell nah. And every time we meet, nothing is off. Deep down, I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. I'm digging.
So tell me guys, how are you liking my new editing style? If you like the more music or you like the more chatty videos, I'm gonna kind of do an in-between mixture going forth, but I could adapt to whatever you guys like. But yeah, let me know how you feel about that. But I do have a random question that has nothing to do with nails. But first, I'm going to map these nails. So my question is, sometimes I think about the movies or the shows in the 90s that don't play anymore, that I was just so in love with. And I'm like, if I brought it back and watched it again today, I probably would think it was boring, one. But like, where are some of those shows that you guys remember from like when you were younger and you wish that they would bring back to play again on television? Like, what are those? Because I know a lot of apps are starting to play more older stuff. But I would love to hear that answer. But here are the nails. I tried to do a little close up for you guys. I love the way they turned out. I'm so happy about them. But let me know what you guys think about the nails. I just want to say thank you for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.